this one, or that? I don't know which.
Do you want this or that one there?
Oh, yeah. That hesitation. That moment when you're looking, pointing, but the words feel stuck. You can see it. She knows what she wants to say, but choosing between this and that suddenly becomes confusing.
Yeah, and it looks simple from outside, but when you're in that moment, with someone waiting for your answer, your brain starts going, this, that, these, those, and everything mixes up.
Exactly. And then you start repeating this, that, this one. And confidence drops immediately.
And the other person is just standing there, waiting. That silence, it feels long.
Yeah, that pressure is real. And today, we're going to make that moment easy. All right, before we go any further, hey, I'm Zivara. And if that moment felt familiar, that confusion between this and that, trust me, you're not alone.
And I'm Oren. And yeah, this is one of those things that feels easy when you read it, but in real life, it suddenly becomes confusing.
So welcome, not just to a lesson, but to something that changes how you speak.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, Zero to Hero.
And today, we are on day 7. And today is powerful because we're talking about how to point, how to choose, how to talk about things around you.
Yeah, real-world English, like ordering food, shopping, choosing things.
Exactly. And by the end of today, you won't hesitate anymore. You'll just say it, naturally. All right, before we go back to Emma, let's build your tools. But not like a list, like real life. First word, this. This means something close to you, like you're holding it or pointing at something near you. This is my phone. My phone is here, in your hand. Say it slowly. This is my phone. This is my phone.
Yeah, it feels immediate, close, like you can touch it. Now, move a little away. That. That means something not close, maybe across the room. That is your bag. It's over there. Say it. That is your bag. That is your bag.
See the difference already? Close versus not close. Now we go plural. These, more than one, and close. These are my keys. In your hand or right in front of you. Say it. These are my keys. These are my keys.
Now, plural, but far. Those. Those are your shoes, maybe across the room. Say it. Those are your shoes. Those are your shoes.
Now something very important. It. We use it when we don't repeat the thing. Like, this is my phone. It is new. Say it. It is new. It is new.
And finally, them. We use them for many things. These are my keys. I put them here. Say it. I put them here. I put them here.
Now, this is where everything becomes clear. This versus that. Think of it like distance. This equals close. That equals far. But let's make it real. I remember once, I was in a cafe, and I wanted to order, but I pointed and said, that one. But the item was right in front of me, so the waiter paused. He looked confused, because I said that, but it was actually this.
Yeah, that small difference changes clarity.
Exactly. So, if it's in your hand or very close, say this. If it's a bit far, say that.
Simple, but powerful. All right, now let's step into that moment again.
This time, really imagine yourself there. You're in a small cafe, looking at the menu, trying to choose.
This one or that. I don't know which.
Do you want this or that one there?
This. Yes. No. That. Maybe that.
Take your time.
These look good, but those also good.
You can try these. They're fresh.
These. Yes. I like these.
Good choice.
And that? What is that?
That is a chocolate cake.
Oh, that looks nice.
Do you want it?
Maybe. I take it? Or no? I don't know.
You can take it or leave it.
Okay. I take this and those.
These or those?
Those. Yes. I take those.
All right. Anything else?
No, that is all.
Okay, let's fix this together. And again, don't think of this as correction. Think of it as making your English smoother. Emma said, This one or that. I don't know which. That's actually close, but we can make it flow better. I don't know, this one or that one. See how it sounds calmer?
Next. This, yes, no, that, maybe that. You can feel the confusion. Let's make it natural. Maybe that one, yes. Short, clear.
Then, these look good, but those also good. We keep the meaning. These look good, but those look good too. Now it flows.
Next. These, yes. I like these. This one is actually fine. We can just smooth it. Yes. I like these. No need to repeat too much.
Then, and that, what is that? We can say, and what is that? Much more natural.
Next. Oh, that looks nice. That one is perfect.
Then, maybe I take it or no? I don't know. We improve it. Maybe I'll take it. I'm not sure. Now it sounds natural.
Next. Okay, I take this and those. We adjust it slightly. Okay, I'll take this and those. Small change, big impact.
Then, those. Yes, I take those. We make it smoother. Yes, I'll take those. Clear and confident.
And finally, no, that is all. We can say, no, that's all. More natural in real speech.
And notice again, we didn't change her ideas. We just made them flow better.
Yeah, same meaning, better communication.
Now listen again.
And notice the confidence.
I don't know. This one or that one.
Do you want this or that one there?
Maybe that one. Yes.
Take your time.
These look good, but those look good too.
You can try these. They're fresh.
Yes, I like these.
Good choice.
And what is that?
That is a chocolate cake.
Oh, that looks nice.
Do you want it?
Maybe I'll take it. I'm not sure.
You can take it or leave it.
Okay, I'll take this and those.
These or those?
Yes, I'll take those.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Now Emma sounds completely different.
Yeah, calm, clear, natural.
All right, now it's your turn. Say it out loud.
Yeah, don't just listen. Speak.
This is good. This is good.
That is nice. That is nice.
These are fresh. These are fresh.
Those are better. Those are better.
I like this. I like this.
I'll take those. I'll take those.
Good. Feel the difference.
Close. Far. Single. Plural.
All right, imagine this. You're in a shop. You see two shirts. One is close, one is far. And the person asks, which one?
I had this exact moment once. I was buying shoes, and I said, I like that, but I was pointing at something in my hand. The person looked confused because I said that, but it should have been this.
Yeah, that small mistake creates confusion.
Now it's easy. I like this. Or, I like those. Clear. Direct.
Maybe this has happened to you. That hesitation, that moment of doubt. But now, you can just say it. All right, let's take a second. Before today, you hesitated between this and that.
Now, you can choose. Clearly.
Today, you can now point, choose, and speak naturally in real situations. You're building real confidence, step by step.
Yeah, and it's working.
Keep going. Day 8 is waiting.
And it only gets better.